hope that this is not nice. So I will say. So there we goes. Another week, another journey. First of all, called the company for the gears of the Dominator because I called yesterday, but yesterday seems to me they were in a holiday. After that, I'm going to get on with the Velocette and see if today I figured it out, the clutch with the cable and everything. Let's see. And yes, after that I'm gonna move on with the Bonneville. So let's go. Okay. Yes, it's open. Yes, it's broken again. I don't know why. It just happened. I started the bike and I'm like, oh, it makes more noise than normal. And I checked the return line, immediately pop. But guess what? This one is not fixed. It's even, you can see, it's pumping. So why the hell keeps on broken this one? I don't understand. Okay. I don't know. I'm gonna send an email to a few people. Let's see if somebody can help me out with this one because I don't get it. So, okay. It's not the end of the world. Nothing is broken. Okay, so another day, another journey. I looked it up on internet yesterday about the Velo, and I don't know. And I was thinking maybe, just maybe, I didn't check it yet, but I was thinking maybe this one has play, but I feel nothing. So like maybe this one comes out of place because it has too much play, and then it goes like this, and that's why it destroys. Hopefully today they can help me out, and then I can finish this project. Yes. So in the meantime, let's not cry about it and move on. So now let's go take the 68 Bonneville and finish it up for the test ride. So yeah, let's go. So this goes to Dave Go 1270. I think the last week he just let a a comment that he couldn't bunch those, he couldn't extract those. So this is what I normally use. I'm going to show it now. Okay, so let's see. Hopefully it's on camera. So okay, this is from a normal store, you know, like you can buy it. They use it in the fence when you want to fix a fence or a garden door. Okay. Yes. And then I use this one. First of all, I use a shorter one. Okay. Shorter. I put it, okay, and I lift it, and then it's enough thread to then change it, put this one in, and what it does is that this one locks underneath and just pulls and pulls and pulls and pulls, and then you take it out. If you try to hammer it, it will not come off. You can heat it up, this one, and then try, but this is the best way, you know, just pull it, and that's it. And now to fix it in place is the same, but the other way around. Yeah. So voila. The construction is like this. When this one is fixed, you put it up, top, a washer, and the bolt. And that's it. That's a pulley, just a homemade pulley. I had one, I made one, but today that one broke, so I needed to go with this one. Is better. So voila. Yes, that's it. More thing, always this head must be smaller than this, okay? Otherwise it's gonna grab in here and will not pull it out of the place. So voila. Right now I was speaking with Mark, and he's playing me. He showed me actually pictures from Velocette expert in France, and he told me like the problem is that the crankshaft, okay, it might be a little bit like this, like not straight but a little bit thick, so it's not turning perfectly. I need to put the clock and everything. So what does it mean? It means that I need to open the engine. So yes, not really good news, but good news at the same time. So let's keep that in mind. Yeah. Right now I'm gonna keep on moving on this one, and when I'm done with her, like the timing is done and I did a test ride and ta-da-da-da-da-da, and it's really good to go, then I will start with the Velocette. Until then, I don't want to touch it. So yeah, I just want to get as finished as I can with this one, or as further as I can with this one, and then move on with the other one. So yeah, okay, let's go. Okay, so right now, let's see, I was putting this one and I want to put the cable, and I saw this. The clutch cable is half of it is broken. So you can see it here, still some more inside. So yes, I will need to change it. And yeah. Another journey. Let's see. Let's connect the klaxons, the parallel ones, the dual kit one, and then show it on the camera how it must to be connected, and then yeah, show it. Okay, and then change this one, and then put this one to the side, take the Velo, and move on with that engine. So yes, no time to cry. Let's keep on going. Let's go. Yeah. Okay, let's see. This one is solid. I think I put it on the time lap. I think. Let's see. This one works, but the battery is almost dead. So yeah, it has 8 volt in it. So yes, right now the only thing I'm missing for this one is this. Okay. And then I could do a test ride, the first test ride. So let's see. And I don't get this one. I'm not able to do it. So let's go and jump with the Velocette. So yeah. let's go. So this lady is back on the table. Okay, so yeah, let's do the easy part. Take everything apart. That can do it. Everybody can do that, you know. So, oh my God. So yeah, let's do this. Let's take the engine out of the frame and take it apart. And yes, keep on going. Keep on going. Let's get to it. Let's just start with with taking the cylinder head and everything. So yeah, okay, let's go. Let's see how much play it has and why. Yeah, that's the reason why. So let's see. By reason, I mean question. So let's see if I can show everything. I think everything is on camera, right? Yeah. So let's see. The engines, besides that, hopefully this problem, we can say. Besides that, it's looking really good. So nothing damaged or so. I even was looking at this one, and when I took the cylinder head out, I was like, yeah. That's what you want to see when you take a cylinder head. You know, this coffee color, that's really nice. So, yes, piston, looking good, nothing on it. And the camshaft is good, everything is fine. Now when I split it when I split the carter, of course you see that this one got damaged, this one. So you can see, I don't know, yeah, so voila. And yeah, now I'm gonna call Frank and see if he has time today and we can do this together, because the problem might be that this one in relation with this one is not straight. It might be a little bit off, some way, somehow. So we need to figure it out that, and let's see. Yes, so yeah. Besides that, I don't know, everything looks really good. So yeah. Yes, nothing else to do than now call Frank and see if he has time. And then we can do it immediately, or maybe tomorrow, even though tomorrow is my free day, but yeah. So let's see. So there we go. Yeah, I'm going to Frank. Okay, so tonight I need to do some computer work. Yes, I need to check about the work on this one. Because I need to see, now I saw something on the big end, and it's so long time ago and I did so many projects that I don't know if I did that work, or if somebody did it, or if it was good and I didn't touch it, I don't know. So now I need to go back to the papers and check. So yeah, let's see. Tomorrow I'm gonna try to put some time on my own motorcycle, Tormenta, so hopefully I can make a video, weekend adventure video. I can make it, let's see. And yeah, so next week more with this lady, and hopefully test ride finally with the Bonneville. So, and Monday I'm gonna call again the company in England for the gears of the Dominator. I spoke with them this week and last week too, and I'm afraid that the package has been sent back. I don't know, I had the gut feeling, I don't know how you say that. That happened once, and yeah, I'm not happy about it. So let's see. So see you next week. Ciao, ciao.